Hey guys, I'm making this quick video for you regards if you have 24G2SP monitor and what settings you can do to like have it really good. So first thing first, when I'm going to come here to the settings, luminance, contrast 50, brightness 100, echo mode standard, gamma free, HDR effect off, everything is off there. Now when you're gonna go further, you're gonna have image setup, so warm, and it's like when you have like check out the color temperature, because if you're gonna have it, you can set up the color temperatures by yourself, but I just have it warm there. But of course you can have it whatever you want, like just like set it up to what you want, is just based on your preference, just test out. So have the luminance like this, and then have the color set up to what you want. Picture boost off, the setup English, game setting off, but you can of course like turn it on and see how it's going to work out for you. So just wanted to make this quick video for you, and have a great day, and yeah, hope it helped you. Goodbye.